Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shapr3D, and more to come. This video covers drawing 3 in Shapr3D on iPad. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Shapr3D on your iPad. Start with a sketch. You'll find Sketch on the left-hand side. Place your sketch on the top plane. This will automatically rotate your view to top view. Select the Circle tool and draw a circle at the origin of the sketch. Set the diameter to 10 mm. Draw a second circle, larger than the first one. Set this circle to 20 mm. Next, select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Select the bottom horizontal line of the rectangle and the circle, then tap Tangent on the right side of the screen. Do the same for the top horizontal line. Select one of the horizontal lines and set the dimension to 20 mm. Now select all 4 lines of the rectangle and apply the horizontal and vertical constraint. Your sketch should turn green, which means it is fully constrained and dimensioned. Draw another rectangle at the end of the first one and make it 30 mm long. Next, use the Trim tool to remove unwanted lines. Trim the lines inside the circle and remove the second half of the larger circle. That completes the first sketch. Click Exit Sketching. Rotate your view using your finger, or the view cube in the top right corner. Click inside the contour and drag the arrow upward to extrude it. Enter a distance of 25 mm. Extrude the second rectangle as well, and set it to 10 mm. Next, we'll add the triangle. Click Sketch and select the front plane. This will switch you to front view, centered on the model. Select the Line tool and draw a triangle as shown on screen. The tool will automatically snap to references from the model. Click Exit Sketching. Go to Tools and select Extrude. Choose Symmetric Extrude. Select the triangle contour and drag the arrow outward. You'll see it extruding evenly on both sides. We want a total width of 6 mm, so enter 3 mm on each side. Perfect. Next, we'll add a fillet, also known as a radius. Tap the edges you want to round. Drag the arrow outward to create a fillet, or inward to create a chamfer. Set the fillet to 4 mm. That looks good. If you open items, you'll see there are 3 separate bodies. We need to combine them into one. Select the bodies in the items list, or drag a selection box from the top left to the bottom right. Click Union, then tap OK. Everything is now one body. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the playlists for more drawings and tutorials, including other software. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you finish them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.